Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Spotify keeps pausing or stopping randomly in 2025. So I will solve this problem through various steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end to try every step to solve your problem. So if Spotify keeps pausing or spotting randomly, you can try the first fix, that is checking the internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network so you can switch networks or restart your router if needed. Now, another way to fix this problem is disable data saver. So, in Spotify settings, you can turn off data saver. In order to do that, you'll have to first of all open Spotify, click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and navigate to the option that says Data Saving and Offline. Make sure that the data saving is turned off. So you can choose if you would like to optimize your data usage. So if you choose on, it will lower the streaming quality and disables other features that use a lot of data. So make sure it is set at off. Now, another way to solve this problem is sign out of everywhere. So you can go to your account settings on Spotify's website and sign out from all devices to fix this problem. Now, another way to fix this problem is turning off battery saver. So scroll down on your mobile phone and make sure this power saving mode is turned off because it sets your data at 4G speed instead of 5G. So make sure to disable power saving mode on your phone to prevent interruptions. Now, another way to do this is simply navigate to Spotify app, hold it down, click on the eye icon at the top right and navigate to the app info section of Spotify. Now, scroll down, navigate to storage and click on the clear cache button. So as you can see, Spotify is currently storing 671 MBs of cache. Click on clear cache and it will instantly clear the cache for my Spotify's app. Now, if these steps doesn't fix your problem, what you'll have to do is go to Play Store, search for Spotify, hit enter, then click on Spotify, click on uninstall, click on uninstall button again. Now after uninstalling, try reinstalling Spotify, logging back into your account and that will instantly and surely fix your problem. So these were the ways through which you can fix Spotify keeps pausing or stopping randomly problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.